Imagine writing a story and watching it come to life just as you envisioned. Camera angles, character movements, everything. That's Sora 2. Alright folks, so what we're going to do here is essentially create a fully directed video using the multi-scene technology here. So we're going to go in here, it's really simple, create a video. I've got the shot 1, 2, and 3, all the prompts set up here. In terms of the model, alright, we're going to be going ahead and using Dance Pro Unlimited, okay? But you do have a lot of different options there. As I mentioned, the multi-shot feature is going to be switched on, so that's going to maintain that sort of integrity from scene 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we're going to set it to 720p resolution, but yeah, if you're filming for a YouTube video, probably get that set up at 1080. I'm just doing that just to make sure we can get exported a little bit sooner. And yeah, all the prompts are here, guys. Okay, they're all set up. Basically going to be a spotted dog with a red collar. He's going to be engaging with his owner. Okay, so we're going to see basically how we can use this red dog that we're going to type into this tool now to actually generate the image, and we're going to basically see how we can maintain like all the different kinds of shots, the shadows, the lighting, the angles, the cinematography, the close-ups, and just see how good it is. Okay, so again, you can use these different tools here, folks. Okay, we've got the Higgs field sol in here, and we're going to go ahead and generate our image, and that's basically where we're going to start. Okay, so as you can see, yeah, that looks pretty good. Top left corner, the dog is done. I just love the realism. I think it's really good with using Higgs field sol there. And we just click the video button on that. We're going to actually bring that over to the actual multi-scene video editing mode after that. So really cool. Again, just another example of all the in-house tools, which is really, really good. And as you can see, we've got the dog there ready to go. And prompts are already in there, as you can see. Dance Pro 720. Yes, just making sure we've got all that selected correctly with the duration at 10 seconds. Okay. And I think that's just about ready to go. You've also got the unlimited mode feature as well here. Okay. Something to consider too. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and press generate now and leave that in the queue, and we'll come back to that once it's finished. Okay, so we're back here now, and the video with the different scenes has been generated. Okay, so we've got the camera panning away, dog coming over, different camera angle again, and then another shot with the camera moving, just like someone's actually filming it. So super realistic, maintains that integrity with the multi-shot. Fantastic. Yeah, so I just want to say how good it is to see that scene continuity maintained automatically there. Everything responds very accurately, as you've seen from your inputs. No need for like additional software or extra tweaking, editing after it's done, wasting you a lot of time and money. Just get it all done in one take. In terms of the actual multi-scene reasoning, it basically ensures that the arc stays consistent for that actual video. On top of that, the motion and emotion are clearly synced with the dialogue and audio cues. And folks, so we are on the creator package here, which currently does have a special offer, and you can actually save 40% if you do go in and do annual here. And yeah, it's not rocket science, guys. This is something where filmmakers, artists can maintain consistent, effective, high-quality vision at scale. Every detail is programmable, predictable, and cinematic. So what are you waiting for, guys? Get signed up for Higgs Field AI right now and go ahead and start using Sora 2 Pro right now, okay? Because essentially Sora 2, as you've seen, is going to be able to turn your dream into an actual high cinematic movie reality, okay? So guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. All the links will be at the top of the description of this video and in the pinned comments if you do want to go ahead and get signed up. Again, I couldn't recommend the creator package anymore, but you've also got the pro here as the top choice as well, okay? Depending on what you need. So if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.